Welcome with Cooking with Carlina, or should I say Cooking with Melina. As you guys know, I am Carlina's mom, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the air fryer, the baguette. And what we'll be doing today is we're going to be doing roast pork loin. We're going to add peppers, a little bit of potatoes. We're going to put it in the air fryer, put the air fryer on at 380 degrees for 15 minutes. We'll see how that goes. The pork loin, we're going to cut that in two. It's already seasoned. You season it to taste, to whatever it is that you want. I'm putting it in a bowl so that we can save the juices and everything with it. And I've cut them up. It's a small little white potatoes, peppers, and you guys know I love color. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the vegetables with a little bit of oil so they don't dry out too much in the air fryer. I'm gonna put it into the air fryer. I'm gonna go ahead and set the air fryer to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna turn the temperature up to 380, and we're gonna hit start. And we'll see you back then. All right, that's the air fryer. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that. All right, so what we've done is we've taken out the potatoes and the peppers, and then we cut up the pork loin just a little bit more, and we're gonna put that back in for 10 minutes. It has beeped. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And cleanup is a breeze. All right, and there you have it, the roast pork, all ready to go. For this and other recipes, go to www.cookingwithcarlina.com.